Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a rounded star shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the rounded star. Go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now I am go to the star and banners section. We can see here the many stars. You can add the rounded star, otherwise you can add the 6 point or more than point. Now I am select the 7 point. Then draw the star, press and hold shift on our keyboard. You can make the star big or resize the icon. You can select this and move this. You can add more than star shape. We can see here another star shape. You can add this. Now we can see we insert a star shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.